What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. Thank y'all for tuning in. Sorry we were rocking a little bit late. Had some stuff going on around the house, but nonetheless, thank y'all very much for tuning in tonight. Tonight we'll be covering some Dogecoin technical analysis, talking about Ethereum, XRP, and ADA. And we'll be covering maybe a little bit of Bitcoin, but we'll see what's going on in the markets. I got a couple articles I want to touch base with y'all and see what's rocking. So we got Mr. Win Moon in the chat. Thank you very much, Win Moon, for tuning in, man. How's it going, Rick? What's up, KC? I'm excited to what Matt has to say about Doge. We're about to hop into that, my man. Yeah, I heard some about Doge and Ethereum teaming up. Yep, there's definitely talks about it. They have a Doge developer team that the creator of Ethereum is on, plus a rep for Elon Musk. So yeah, KC, they're definitely working on it, man. Yep, Walmart wants your Doge, man. They hired a cryptocurrency expert, and they're trying to get into the crypto space, which will be great for cryptocurrency, being that Walmart doesn't even accept Apple Pay at this time and point in time. So, very excited about that, man. RW, how you doing? We got Mr. Eagle 3 in the chat. Good evening to all. Hope everyone is having a great day. I hope everybody is having a great weekend, man. Hope y'all are rocking. I know the charts aren't looking too hot right here on Doge for the short term, but we got a little ascending wedge forming we just broke out of. So we could be in a bit of a downtrend right here, guys. So let's see where we actually find some footing. Our next level to hit is 31.44, which we might go back to retest here shortly. So let me pop that line real quick. So actually right before I went on, I popped that line to see, because it was respecting that ascending level of support. But as you can see, we got that drop below it. Let's see if we can hurry up and hop back in that channel right there. What's up, Crypto Critter? How you doing, man? Got Mr. D-Grade in the chat, man. Weekends are nice if you don't work the whole day. If you do, it's just like every other day. Hopefully you're off today, man. Hopefully you were off today on a big Saturday, man. KC, you gotta take a break sometimes, man. Black omens. OMG, a wild wind moon appeared. What's up, Crypto Visions? Thank y'all for tuning in tonight, man. I wish we were reporting a little bit better prices on some Dogecoin, but nonetheless, I'm still looking for a buying opportunity for some swing trade. I think we'll get a pretty good bounce here at 31.44. Getting a lot of selling off right here. Let's take a look real quick. RSI is coming back down. This might be a good buying price somewhere around 31.44. Let me get my this might be a double bottom we're seeing right here, guys. This might be a really good buying opportunity coming up quick and fast on the stream, guys. 31.51. Let me get some dry powder ready to go. I bought some earlier, averaged down, got out clean, but I'm about to pop some out right here, man. I'm about to buy some. I know I'm not supposed to do that on the stream, but I think this is gonna be a quick little flip right here. Give me 1 second, y'all. 1 second. I think we'll get this retest of 31.44 close to it. 31.50 looks like we got pretty strong support. Might be a good swing trade opportunity. That RSI is heavily oversold right now. Currently touching 30. Definitely way oversold right here. I saw 31.43, so I'm hanging tight, guys. Give me Let me just watch this chart real quick because I might be looking to pick some up right here. What's up, Kale? Thank you for tuning in, man. Saul. We got Black Omens in the chat. Randy Byers. Got Win Moon in the chat, guys. Gonna be a good night tonight. I think this might be a good little buying opportunity. We bounced off that level of support. I might try my hand at it. Eagle 3 says I need a female Doge next to my dancing Doge to get him excited. Might make that happen, man. Might be able to do something there. So the problem I'm having right here, I'm still not satisfied with this right here. I want to see the next 5-minute chart, 5-minute candle. It might be a good opportunity right here. Let's zoom out a little bit. We have a strong level at 31.21, so if we do break that, we'll probably end up heading in that direction. But that bounce right here at 31.43 is a pretty nice sign right there, guys. You could easily run back to retest this 50-day moving average. Oh no, that's not the moving average. That's my ascending level of support. 50 days way up here at 31.88. So a little 30-cent play right here if we do get a pretty good bounce. What's up, Heed? Thank you for tuning in, man. Oh, it sucks, D-Grade. Hopefully you off for the rest of the night, man. Win Moon has a cousin named Win Mars. Interesting. Got some action right when I start the stream, man. Huge sell-off. Here we go. Getting that retest at 31.43. That's why it's always important to be patient right here. Let's see what happens. That's some pretty significant sell-off right here. There we go. 31.40. $31.32 right there. Man, this is getting ugly fast, guys. Wow. That might be the bounce point right here. Let's see what happens. Get my dry powder ready real quick. Start of another 5-minute candle. Starting off red. Dang, D-Grade, you waking up early, huh? 31.44 would be my buy-in right here if I get in, but that's a level of resistance. Let's see what happens. We riding it right now. Looks like we're rising back. Sorry guys, I'm being quiet. I'm just watching this price action right here. I got my finger on the buy button. I was Kind of probably should have got that 31.30. I want to see a next 5-minute candle. RSI's at 20 right now, guys. Wow, that's really low. Really, really low, guys. Randy Byer says, I grabbed a nibble. What you got in that, man? It's really harsh sell-off right there. Y'all back in too? What to do, what to do. Let's see this next 5-minute candle. That starts off green. That'd be a pretty good bounce point right there. Really, really stagnant right now. RSI is just depleted right now. On the 4-hour, it's 48. On the 5 minutes, at 20. Let's look at the 15 minutes, see where it's sitting at. 36. $315. Not bad, dude. Not bad at all. See, if I purchase on Robinhood right now, they give me a 3159 entry point. 3158. I'm just hanging tight real quick to see if we hold this. Eagle 3. 315, 1.5 mil. All right, guys, 31.44. If we drop underneath that, I'd like to see this next 5-minute candle open. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase some right here. I think, look at this RSI starting to hook. I think you'll get some buying pressure. I'm going in real quick. Not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Do what you do. Go ahead and pick me up some right here and see what happens. So I'm in at 31.54 right here, guys. That's what my price target triggered at. Well, I was checking out this RSI. I got that little bounce right here. Really, really oversold, man. Like really oversold. Currently, it was at 21. It's coming up. We're back to 30. So we still in way oversold territory. I think you'll start getting some buying pressure. Step back in. I think we might get a little rip. At least back up to. Let's see where this is. Why can't I see it on my chart? It's not telling me what the price is right there. Why not? Okay, 31.78. I had the 200-day moving average actually blocking my line of view right there. Let's see it run back up to 31.70. I might do a little quick flip right there. So I'm currently about to go green. Let's see what happens here. All right, let me get back to the chat. Sorry about that, guys. That got pretty interesting really quick. I'm right back where I bought in at just a minute ago. Let's see what happens. But sorry about that, guys. Like right when I started the stream, we broke this ascending level of support. And I was like, oh, crap. Something's about to go down. So I drew this line right before I logged on. Went grabbed me a cup of water, came back, and then we just had this massive sell-off right when I was clicking going live. So I knew it might be a good buying opportunity coming in right in this area right here. Good little swing trade opportunity right here, guys. He says, should I have sold? It's the whales, man. They're shorting, playing with the markets, man. They're making their tendies all the time, man. They have enough weight to push around to move the whole market around. Just what you're seeing. Rick says I got in at 31.55. Yes, now it's always important when you swing trading like this to have your exit point. So my exit point would be 31.29 right here. I might ride to 31.21, that next level of support, and play as a bounce if we do see it. But we should start to at least climb back up. That 14-day is moving down. It's still at 31.78. Looked like it moved down a little bit. We should at least go back up next couple 5-minute candles. So that's what I'm hoping for. That's exciting, man. I didn't know I was going to get a good dip buy opportunity tonight, man. So really riding 31.50 right there. I like them even numbers. Looks pretty good. So other than that, guys, what's up? How y'all doing on Saturday night? Sorry the stream got thrown off by this pretty good sell-off right here. But we might be able to make some tendies on the stream tonight, which would be awesome. Let's see what happens. There we go, 31.54. That was my buying point. Rick, I think you're in at 31.55. Yep. So currently touching right about that area right now. So we had some other good news in the industry. JP Morgan's really bullish on Bitcoin and crypto, and they put out an article today, which I know they put out one a couple months ago, but they had another article published talking about Bitcoin price possibly 100K, which is would confirm what everybody else is thinking about the remainder of this year, which is about 4 months. I'm not going to come on here and say Doge is going to $1 tomorrow like some YouTubers we know of, but I'm still very bullish on it for the rest of the year. And it's really nice to see this next 5-minute candle start off green, guys. Let's get some green pumping into it. But they go on in the article, recognize how, the leading cryptocurrency expert at JP Morgan says it could reach 100K level in this current rally. This is positive news for the market, but quite conservative compared to predictions of other large institutions. So you have a bunch of other institutions predicting a lot higher prices for the end of this year, such as Goldman Sachs, a few other big banks. But JP Morgan's being a little conservative, and I'm saying 100K Bitcoin conservative, just referencing this article right here. But that's very good news. You got the suits, everybody involved. They're thinking crypto is absolutely going to rip. I think that's why we're seeing regulation coming in with the infrastructure bill. So I'm still very bullish on it for the rest of the year. I do think you'll set some pretty good all-time highs. I think Doge will make a new all-time high this year. And that's what I'm holding out for, guys. ADA not looking too bad. $2.52, up 1.35% on the day. Ethereum a little red. XRP down a little bit. Doge really taking the brunt, down 3%. But getting some green pumping in right now. I might look to exit if we get rejected at 31.75 right here. That would be my exit point right here. Let me get my screen pulled up. 31.60 right there, so it is turning out to be a pretty good swing trade. Remember when JP Morgan said they would fire their employees if they bought into crypto? Yeah, so check. Yeah, man. I do remember that. Now they're calling for 100K Bitcoin. A lot of large institutions are calling for it. 31.59. RSI is still oversold territory, 36. Like to see a little bit more green right here. We're having trouble with 31.61. I'm not even mad though right now. I'm up $100 so far on this little quick swing trade. Let's see what happens. We go to 1 minute candle, see what's going on here. 31.52. I'm still thinking 31.70, somewhere within that range right there. We're gonna get rejected. Maybe even 31.67. Let's see what happens here. Rick says, let's go with 33. That's what we're waiting on, man. Yes, we needed to go past 32 and 33. I think we will get there, my friend. Just trading a little sideways right now. The whales are taking profits. Got a lot of people swing trading right here. Tired of the same everyday needs. Yep. Yeah, it's gonna start ripping here. It's gonna go on a slow run, man. I mean, we came from 16 cents. We're back to 31 right now. I'm expecting a good little move in the next coming weeks. I know that YouTube we were watching earlier was talking about Doge $1 next month, blah blah blah. I personally think we'll be within the 45, maybe even 50 cent range at that time period. This is a pretty big 5 minute candle right here, guys. I want to see this thing green. This might signify a little exit point for me. And that would be at this 14-day moving average, which is 31.73. If we can go up there right now, that'd be awesome. Even 31.67 would be a pretty hard level right here. United Wholesale Mortgage, which made its public debut in January via special purpose SPAC merger, announced plans this week to accept cryptocurrency for home loans. Wow. Wow. I did not see that. That's pretty significant news. Yeah, it's kind of what I'm thinking, RW. I think we'll be somewhere within that 40 to 50 cent range within a month. Now, it might not be all the way, there'll be some bumps in the road, most definitely. But I do think overall we'll be back in that direction. Where do you buy your crypto? I buy on Webull, Robinhood, Coinbase. It just depends, man. If I'm swing trading, I'm doing Webull and Robinhood. They give you some pretty decent prices on Robinhood. It hasn't been bad lately, so I've been kind of using them. They've been a little bit cheaper. So that's where I'm currently buying it at. Just for the swing trades. Thank you for tuning in, Dev Digits. Thank you very much, man. Snowman, like B&B, you can buy a house and ARC and can help you with a loan. A house and car. $31.58. It's being greedy right here. Worth it? I'm about to find out. Or did I miss it bumping my gums? Is that 3165? A retest off this 1 minute 14-day moving average. Yeah, it's a tight window right here. Really tight window. Let's see, I'm up $100 right now. Let's see what this next 5-minute candle does. Or 1 minute candle. Let's go to 5. Wind move. This Donkey Kong. Let's pump some green, baby. Let's get it going. 1 minute 46 RSI. 5 minute 40 RSI. So it's picking up a little bit, guys. The 14-day moving average is moving down 3173. I still think you'll get a retest right here. I'm going to hold on right here for that retest. It could bite me, but don't do as I do. Just be watching the charts, make your own decisions. But I'm just letting y'all know what I'm currently looking for right here is a rejection on the 5 minute at 3173. Look to get out of that swing trade real quick. Oh my, OMG. I move like Donkey Kong. D-Grade says, swing trades, I use KuCoin. There you go, man. How's it going, Lori? What is up? Are you from Crypto Visions YouTube channel? Yeah, I'm currently up $109 right now since I bought 3154. Might just take the quick 100 and hop off if we don't get nothing pumping in right here. Next 5 minute candle, I'm gonna see. I might just take my $100 because we're not really getting that volume pumping in like I thought we would. Oh, thank you for tuning in, Lori B. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. $31.55. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you could hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you, Crypto Visions, for throwing some people my way. Greatly appreciate it, my man. You already know. 31.56. I'm up 100. Nope. $94 right now. Are we shorting Dogecoin here, Webull? Never, man. I would never short Dogecoin. I'm just doing a quick swing trade, man. I saw this heavy sell-off. I thought we'd get a higher bounce. I'm right at the point where I got in at. I'm up just a little bit. Holding out, getting some green pumping in. OMG says Coinbase will buy $500 million in crypto, invest 10% of all future profits in digital assets. That's awesome. $31.67. Here we go with the retest. Let's get some major green pumping in. Let's go retest that 50-day moving average. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get rejected. Part of me just thinks I got in at a great price right here and I just should hold it. We'll see, guys. $31.66. 14-day moving average is at $31.70 right here. Part of me thinks we'll end up somewhere around 31.80. I just don't know yet. That'd be the best case swing trade right here for the night. I think you got the 50-day moving average at 31.84. I'm gonna hang tight. I'm hanging tight, guys. I didn't sell yet. When Moon says Dogecoin getting ready to rip. When Moon, we need you to do a helicopter shirt thing, man. Get some Doge pumping over here, man. Yeah, Cardano was absolutely moving. Overtook BNB for the third largest crypto. And 73% in 2 weeks. That's some major moves. What's going on with Bitcoin, man? Yeah, it doesn't look too hot. That chart looks bearish. Currently trading at 48,879. Let me hop back over to Doge. We got a little swing trade going on. Having some trouble getting over 31.71. Next 5-minute candle, let's get green. Let's get pow pow. Let's get some green pumping in. Let's get over this 14-day. Bitcoin stuck. That chart looked pretty bearish. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Just from a little bit of, just a few seconds I glanced at, I want to hurry up and hop back to Doge, see what's going on, because stuff can happen really fast. $31.67. Are we getting over it? Getting a retest right here. $31.68. We're sitting on it right now, guys. Let's see 69. Come on, baby. Let's get up there. 31.70. We might be getting a break. Let's see, guys. What's up, Jason Gregory? Thank you for tuning in, man. Says Mass Market, I believe that 31 cents is the new level of support. I'd be shocked to see if we did below 30 again. I feel after the 2-week healthy run in crypto is doing its cool down. Yeah, man, every time you have those hard run-ups, you're going to have that cool down period where you try to consolidate, find a bottom, try to trade sideways for a little bit, find your new level, and then form a new trend. So that channel is really between 30 and 35. 31, you do have a lot of support. And for that reason, I do have a long-term account, but I also have a swing trade account, and I bought a swing trade right here at 31.54. And I'm currently in this trade right now. I personally don't buy Bitcoin Heat. I'm not really. I'm gonna glance over the chart here in a few, but I currently don't buy too much Bitcoin. Like unless I got like $400 in Bitcoin, man. That was because I was buying some other stuff with it. We move. No, buy Doge. Yeah, I'm hanging, man. I didn't sell yet. I want to see this pretty good move back up to 31.83. I just don't know. Part of me feels like the next 5-minute candle might be red. It's having some trouble right here. And my first instinct was, hey, it's going to have trouble at this 14-day moving average. But you say that, and we get a little pump. $3,169. Robert Dean says Bitcoin moving, just needs to break resistance. What's the resistance at right now, man? I'm really glued to this Dogecoin screen right here, man. It's like a really, really tight window that we're looking at. So yeah, if we end up getting over this 14-day moving average, that 50-day would be my sell point at that point. $48,886. Jason says I have a long-term hold crypto account. I need to swing trade my other account and take some profits here and there. That's a good idea. Yeah, I usually take my profits and I'll buy some to add to my long-term account on these dips. And it looks like we're getting rejected right here off this 14-day moving average. Having a real tough time getting over it. What's up, Alex? How you doing, man? Yeah, it's trying to bust it. I just, you can see we're kind of getting a little rejection right here. I know if someone like a whale's watching this, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and look to get out. I know if a whale's watching this and he's seeing this 5-minute, 14-day moving average, that rejection, you quite possibly bust through it, but I don't see it. We're getting rejected. I think we'll end up back at 31.44. Moose trap. Yeah, that'd be a good point. That would signify maybe to take some profits right there. You're getting rejected, that 14-day moving average. Unless this candle can reverse and turn back green, you might see a little bit more dip action going on. What's up, Chase? Thank you for tuning in, man. Greatly appreciate you, brother. Yeah, they have a whale trader on Twitter. I currently turned the notification off, but I'm turning it back on right now. See what they're shorting on the markets. Let's take a quick peek and see what's going on in the market. So 1 hour ago, it's not too active tonight. Looks like Ethereum XRP long 2 hours ago. Ethereum longed, ADA longed. There we go, 57 minutes, ADA shorted, ADA longed. Let me hit the notification bell for them. Yeah, you're just not quite getting over the, you know, a retest of that 50-day moving average would have been superb right there for that swing trade, but you're just really not getting the volume pumping in. And RSI is really just sitting around 45, right underneath the midterm range. So it's signifying to me you're not getting the volume. So you're not going to get the break and the retest unless you get some volume pumping back in. Yeah, Rick, I just saw that, dude. There's no shorts. Like, it's pretty weird, man. No shorts. Way Moon, I really don't care much about Bitcoin. I throw some at it here and there. When I'm in the money, I take some profits. I don't load a ton of Bitcoin. I don't either, man. I just bought some Bitcoin to buy some other coins, so... Why did Rocky Balboa just pop up on my screen? That's what I want to know. ACH has moved up a bit today. I didn't check it. Let me see where it's at. Yeah, the whales are quiet tonight, man. Let me change one thing real quick, guys. Oh, there we go. Cool. Got that working. ADA's looking the best out of all the cryptos. 252, 1.22%. Everything else down about 2-3% off the main four cryptos we usually touch base on. 3164, we're having trouble getting over this 14-day moving average. A pop above that would signify a retest of that 50-day moving average. Jason Gregory, Doge, and ADA are my main ones. Now I'm thinking about playing some XLM. Jason, if you're thinking about XLM, dude, we tell everybody on the channel over here, if you can get the Coinbase debit card, dude, you get 4% XLM back off of every purchase. So pay your house note, pay your electric bill, all that good stuff, my man. Earn 4% XLM back on everything you purchase. 0% to transfer from your bank to the card, and 0% to purchase stuff with it. So great way to earn some crypto without adding on every week whenever you just buy your lunch at work and stuff like that, man. Got Lollipop in the chat. Thank you for tuning in, man. Win Moon. He sold Pamp It. I made over $100. I'm not mad about it. Rick, you still hanging on? Looks like you might get that retest right here. 3181. 3175 might be a little test too for us. Let's see what happens. You guys are funny, man. 8Ball will win moon by Bitcoin. I hear you, dude. I hear you, man. I'm a gambler too. About to see if my choice was good because I got out at 31.66. Randy Byer says I'm holding for at least 4 years. Crypto moves in cycles, my man. That's a good way to look at your investments for crypto, man. I just think this year you'll have a pretty good run up, and then everything will pretty much have a pretty significant drop. But we'll see what happens toward the end of the year. Yeah, I know. You have to pay attention to Bitcoin. You do. I mean, it affects the whole market. But you'll get these points where the altcoins will do their own thing and Bitcoin will do its own thing. And for a minute there, as of late, they were kind of separating from each other. Now Bitcoin had a pretty good run up. Everything kind of stood still. It almost touched 50K today, and the altcoins weren't really moving. So ADA is doing its thing because smart contracts come out in 2.5 weeks. So still got quite some time for ADA to make some pretty major moves. Randy Byer says I'll buy more in the next drop. Yep, you'll definitely see another drop, man. What goes up has to come down. I'd like to see some really nice volume stepping back in, man. At least get us back to in this ascending triangle we had, because we broke out of it. So we might be getting some red popping in. Let's see a bounce at 31.53. Possibly 31.54. Yep, Robert Dean. Mass Market's goal is 5K subs this for the remainder of the year. We've been rolling recently, man. Like, we've been gaining a lot of subscribers, so thank y'all very much for always tuning in and repping the show, man. Chase, you talking about 31.82? Jason says I'm better with the crypto side than the stock world. I research crypto plays a lot and just wing it. With the stocks, I will eventually get that down too. Yeah, man. You hanging out around Bulldog and them, man, that's a great community to learn from, man. And that's the thing about it, it's a community. So, like, everybody has their own specialty. You know, people bring different stuff to the table, so when you get a bunch of people together, that forms a community, and you know, you can have hands-on across the market, give you some good advice. People that have been through it a lot. I think that Dogepalooza trip October 9th is really gonna help out the channel, man. I'm gonna go down there and treat it as a business trip. Stay out there for the day, hand out a bunch of free merchandise and stuff, and talk to everybody out there. I got you 31.82. That 50-day moving average is coming down, so be aware of that. It's at 31.80 right there. getting some pretty big red pumping in. That's why you have to watch these charts, man, because when you start getting rejected off that 14-day moving average and you can't quite break it after, 3 or 4 candles, which we had here 4, then you really get rejected. And you'll probably end up seeing 31.44 here and see if we hold that. If not, you could quite possibly, I think we might get a little bounce off of 31.44 again. But if not, you could possibly go down to see 31.34. Maybe even 31.50 bounce right here. I like them even numbers. Matic and ADA are doing the opposite of Doge and Bit. ADA's coming down though. ADA is coming down currently right now. Jason says, Matt, I heard about the Dojapalooza several weeks ago on Hot Trades channel. I'd really like to go down there to do that as well. Yep, it's October 9th, right south of Houston, Texas. Jason, I don't know where you're from, but I live currently about 3.5 hours away from there, so I'm going to be down there. Please let me know if you're down. Love to meet up with you, my man. Key, do I think Doge will go down to 29 cents again? I mean, look, man, it's not impossible for it not to. I don't see it right this second. I think 31's real strong support if we would continue to dip, because we are in a bit of a downtrend. I mean, we broke that ascending wedge we had that I drew right when the stream started. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. We got the break to the downside. I was hoping for a continuation bounce, come up, bounce, and a break for it. But as you can see, you had that 200-day moving average converging on that level of resistance. So we ended up not even going to retest it and just fell out. So it's going to be really, it's going to take quite a bit of volume pumping in to get us back over that 50 and then eventually to that 200. So we're in a little bit of bearish territory right here in the short term, guys. Let me go ahead and remove that ascending level of support. And 31.70 looks like for a short-term trade, that looks like the level to beat right here. 31.70, and then if that 50-day moving average keeps coming down by the time you get the retest, which the 50-day is currently at 31.79, you could possibly get rejected again right here. So we're in a little bit of a downtrend, guys, so just be aware of it. Yeah, Robert Dean, ADA has been smoking hot, dude, the past 2 weeks. Making some major moves. Remember smart contracts September 12th, man? Put down your radar. Good, then I can increase my position in ADA. I have some powder to work with in that. Man, oh, you're 8 hours away? That's a little rip, man. If you do make it, though, definitely get at me, man. Let me know. We're hopping below 31.50. I like them even numbers, guys. That's just me. I like them. I pay attention to them. And this is why if we start to break, I see 31.44 incoming. Let's see what happens. Dr. Derb, sorry, late to the party. Hey, dude, better late than never. We actually got a little dip buy opportunity. I made a little over $100 off this dip right here. I got out somewhere around 31.63. I got in at 31.54. I saw this rejection off this 14-day moving average. Let's see what happens here. 31.44 incoming. If we don't hold, you could possibly see even 31.43. That'd be the bounce point for me. So if you don't hold that, you might quite possibly see 31.34 again and see if you can hold there. So do you live in Texas? Bitcoin just shorted. Yeah, we're getting that touch right here. 31.43, guys. 31.43. My boy Kale saying he's in. I could see a bounce right here, guys. I really could. We could start a new little ascending level of support. I'm just waiting. I'm being patient. I want to see what happens here. 31.42. Oklahoma. That's what's up, man. I've been to Oklahoma one time by accident. I was traveling through Mena, Arkansas, and I took a wrong turn. Traveled like 15 minutes, and I crossed the state line. Stopped at a gas station, and went back across. Dude, I'd like to see a bounce right here. All right, guys, I'm going to do y'all a favor. I'm going to go step away, get me some more water real quick. Usually when I step away, Dogecoin starts ripping. So we got ADA 249, taking a little bit of a dip right here. 31.48 Doge. 32.27 Ethereum. 122 XRP. Let's see what happens, guys. Hopefully when I walk away, this thing will rip, but I'll be right back. You're 100% correct, Jason Gregory. Matt walking away is not working. Maybe if I come back. Just maybe. 3144 really testing this level of support right here, guys. Once again, really tight windows, guys. It's looking pretty bearish. This 14-day moving average is going to be a little bit of a level to get over off this 5-minute green candle. So we'll see what happens. 3156 on that. That's it, Dr. Derbs. Elon tweet, where is it? Def Digit says Bitcoin bounce may be a delay. So guys, it's looking the charts are looking a little bearish right now. Double bottom right here and a rip would be the best case scenario. But you can see we came up here, played around, almost hit like a little double triple bottom here, came up a little bit, then we really fell out. So I'll be eager to see what happens the rest of the night, see where we wake up at. Yep, you're right, Jason Gregory. When Doge runs, it'll run. And right now, while it's trading sideways, kind of between that 30-35 range, people are just trying to make some tendies along the way. But there is some, good news pumping in across the crypto market. So I still remain very bullish on it. I think it's going to get moving here shortly. As we see in might be this Saturday night pullback we usually see. Which, come to think about it, we haven't seen it for quite some time, guys. It's been pretty green on the weekends for the past couple weekends. But we also had the reports on August 16th about Walmart. The U.S. retail giant Walmart was seeking an experienced crypto expert who can develop and drive the digital currency strategy and product roadmap for the firm. According to the job listing, Walmart is looking for someone with a track record of lending and scaling businesses. They also want at least 10 years of experience on tech-based products. Let me see what they're reporting about the cryptocurrency. Ideally, the candidate should know a thing or two about crypto, blockchain, tech, and why. They're talking about Ethereum here. Oh, and why pet rocks are selling for absurd prices on Ethereum. Yeah, did y'all guys see the pet rock thing? They're selling for a lot of money. Walmart's future digital currency and crypto product will be based out of Bentonville, Arkansas. The state has produced talent such as Billy Bob Thornton, Johnny Cash, along with Bill and Hillary Clinton. What are they talking about? Then they go on to talk about there was good news about the Doge fanatics this week as Dogecoin Foundation resurfaced after several years of total media silence. According to an announcement on Tuesday, the foundation stated it reestablished itself in a bid to support a Dogecoin community. The foundation also said it would be announcing new projects that are centered on encouraging adoption of Doge and promoting its utility. The product's website lists Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, Dogecoin founder Billy Marcus, and Dogecoin core developer Max Keller on the advisory board, and also the rep from Elon Musk, Jared Birchall. I can never pronounce that dude's name. It's yet to be revealed if Musk Tyler Holder's son has loaded up on Doge in light of the announcement. So that's pretty much what that article was talking about with Walmart. Kind of that leak with Amazon didn't quite get the pump we expected from it. But when it does happen, we got a lot of great news. We got a lot of great companies that will be accepting Doge. I think the first great step is the Dogepalooza October 9th. There'll be a lot of Dogecoin exchanging hands. I'm pretty sure every booth over there will be accepting Doge. which is going to be awesome, guys. It's really going to be a neat thing. And for everybody that can't make it, I'll be doing some recordings and probably clip a whole video together for everybody, so you'll be able to see it firsthand. I think it'd be a great idea. We're about to see Kale. About to see that green hammer candle. What's crazy, last Friday I called 30 cents by Saturday. It completely took me by shock when that sucker hit 35 last Saturday. Yeah, and we when we were reporting, Jason, we were expecting a nice little bounce. We were saying the week before it would be between 30 35 cents. It hit 35 cents and just got smacked down, man. As of right now, it's looking a little bearish. Just the way the charts are looking right now. So hopefully, if we do end up pulling back between tonight and tomorrow, hopefully at the beginning of the week, we'll get back on track and continue a nice little climb for the rest of the week. OMG says the pullbacks are getting less harsh, though. Yep, that is definitely a good sign, and you are right. The pullbacks are getting less and less. So could we be spring loading for another shoot up? Quite possibly. Def Digit says MACD looking to flip to green also. RW. That's funny. Yeah, Dean, man, if you're going to bed, thank you very much for tuning in, man. So it looks like we're falling back between this channel of 31.21 and 31.44. If we can't get back next 5-minute candle, we might end up seeing 31.34 in the short term. And if we can't hold that 31.21, let's see what's underneath that. And 31 cents would be after 31.21. Jason says, I'm expecting a rip by Monday. Yeah, hopefully we get back on a little normal schedule with crypto. How we have Monday through Thursday, we do pretty good. Then the weekend we fall, take a little dip. Yep, Robert Dean, thank you very much for tuning in, man. Oh, it's not you, it's Saul. So currently right now in the 5-minute back to 31.44. Yeah, everything's kind of trailing down right here. So ever since we hit that high at 35, 35.19, had some pretty good pops along the way. Just not able to get back over some pretty good levels that we're looking to get over. Fear and Greed Index at 76. Remember last time Bitcoin was at 64, that thing was pegged out. You might still have a little room to grow. ADA fighting to stay green for the day at $22.49. While I stepped away, I did see well traders. There was a lot of Bitcoin shorts came in. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. Why is it doing this? Let's go to 30 minutes. Sometimes Webull does its own thing. It'll start you way back here. Go to 4 hour, zoom out, get me where I need to go. See, why is Bitcoin? Dude, I'm not scrolling that far. I don't know why Bitcoin's doing that. There we go. Jason, I'm wondering, with crypto dipping, I'm worried about the crypto-based stocks like BTT and Riot be taking hits. If it continues to dip into tomorrow, Monday might not be too good for them. There's also Hut mining. We've been making some pretty good tendies off of Hut. OMG put that stock on our radars, and it's been doing pretty decent, man. If Bitcoin's somewhere around 49,000 toward tomorrow night, possibly even into 50, if we can get that volume pumping back in, I do think them plays would be pretty good returns come Monday. They usually are. Let me pull up the charts on Riot real quick. Let's see what happened in aftermarket hours. Moved up a little bit. 0.52%. Usually, if crypto's going to do pretty good on the weekend, like last weekend, we saw a pretty good bounce, like 5 to 8% last weekend. So right here, that tells me, you know, some people were uncertain about the crypto market over the weekend. Up 3% on Hut, almost 4% after hours. So I mean, we did see that run to 49, almost 50K on Bitcoin this weekend. Let's see, Mar up 10%. So Riot underperformed everybody else. Really did. So it'll be interesting to see what happens Monday morning. We'll be covering a couple stocks tomorrow night to see what's going on. Try to pick some winners for the week. So 3153, right back in this channel, 3170, 3144. We're getting that test of that 14-day moving average. It's starting to hook a little bit, guys. We might get a little volume pumping in. We might get the break over it right here. OMG says I put an alert on the bot for the biggest Bitcoin address I could find for price changes. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I know a couple people that keep track of them, the major wallets, to see what they're doing at the time period. I've been mainly looking at whale trades for the shorting and longing. They report pretty accurately. Right, Rick, you still hanging on to Hut? What was the price of Hut? $661, $696, oh, 6.9%. 687 aftermarket hours. Awesome, man. Hopefully we can get crypto moving back up. That way it'll continue to rip come Monday for you, man. So as you can see, again, we're getting that retest of that 14-day moving average, with the 14-day actually hooking a little bit. So that's a pretty good sign. Volume stepping up right here. We might actually get that break above it. Hut mining at 6.7% on TradingView. I never used TradingView. Never did. I do like the little chart setup on there, though. currently ADA right now is the only thing green on the charts for what we have popped on the screen. XRP down 3%. Hopefully tomorrow's good to us. I really hope tomorrow is great for us. It'd be awesome to see Bitcoin hop above 50K. I would definitely be throwing some money at Riot or Mar or Hut mining come Monday. I think it'll treat you very well. We'll have some stock plays tomorrow. I'm gonna dig into some charts and look for some possible 5-10% gainers come Monday morning. Okay, awesome, Rick. Awesome, man. $31.46. So I'm feeling pretty good about that little swing trade I made right there for the short term. My only concern, if we can't get over this 14-day moving average, we're 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in. Last time we hit the 4 candles, we got rejected pretty hard. So yeah, Jason, we've been talking. That was my price prediction for ADA, anywhere between $5 and $10. I mean, you're halfway to $5 right now. I think when smart contracts roll out, they'll be doing a lot of great things. You'll be able to use the Ethereum network for NFTs, all kind of good stuff, man. You'll be able to buy and sell crypto on the Ethereum network, and it'll make it a lot cheaper. It's just so much great things going on with ADA, man. When they got a bunch of DeFi stuff happening, so like they'll be able to help third world countries. I think when the smart contracts hop on the scene, dude, they're gonna be some really big news. I'm very bullish on ADA, dude. We were buying ADA 3-4 months ago at $1, so like I can't in good faith tell people, hey, ADA's at an all-time high right here. You could see some pullback before September 12th, especially if it gets delayed. So right now we're just sitting tight, just holding on to our ADA, seeing what happens between now and September 12th. That's what I'm doing at least. Robert Dean says, I remember ADA was 75 cents. I can't believe how well ADA is. Yeah, man. We knew smart contracts were coming. It's a beautiful thing for ADA. We've been talking about it for quite a while, man. Just always keeping it on people's radar, and it's finally good to see it doing its thing. Getting ADA back to an all-time high when Bitcoin's not at an all-time high is a very good sign for me. So you can see that 4-3 test right here. Getting a pretty big red candle, not hopping over that 14-day moving average. RSI is not really heating up too. It's at 42. You're not getting the volume stepping in. That's why we're seeing the sell-off we're seeing. Jason, I got into ADA last week at 138 and only bought 15. I wish I had more. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, but we might see some pullback on ADA. We might. I don't think it'll be buy the hype, sell news type thing. I really don't. Because when the information is released, I do think it's going to be great for ADA. No, Dr. Derbs. I ended up hopping out just a few. I hopped out at 31.63 right here, man. 31.63. I didn't time the top perfect, but I think I did a pretty good on that swing trade. Now, if it continues to rip up, which you could be forming a little ascending level right here, short term. Let's see what happens. I almost thought we would see a double bottom at 31.29 right here. Didn't happen, but let's see what happens. If we keep riding this lower channel right here on this level of support, we'll eventually, most of the time you'll get a break to the downside and hop in this channel. So I'm just currently waiting to see what's happening short term. There you go, Jason. Waiting to see the pullback, then you'll hop in big. So you got support. We're sitting on support right now. You got support at 31.21 and then 31 cents. Let's zoom out a little bit more and see what else we got hanging under 31. And I'm not showing my lines right here. We must have took them off. I must have took them off. Nope, there they are. So after 30, probably 30.75 and then maybe 30.50. Somewhere within that range. Yep. 30.50, you'll have pretty good support. Let me pop that line back. I should have had a line right there. We just blew past that so quick. I don't think I was on when that happened. That's why I don't have a line right there. When Ada pulls back, it'll be me going in with a blaze of glory. A month ago, you could have bought Ada at $1 again, dude. So it's definitely made some major moves. 150% if you'd have been buying at that point in time. Here we go, Doge. A nice little green pop right there. Quite possibly going to get the break over the 14-day moving average. We go 31.57. Really tight margins in swing trading right now, especially the way it's trading. Really tight margins. Once again, looks like we're getting rejected. That 14-day is giving us some trouble, guys. Change one thing real quick. So guys, right now we just in a bearish trend right here. It ain't nothing really hot to talk about, guys. We had this huge sell-off right here, all the way down to 31.29. That was a pretty decent swing trade we made tonight. If y'all did it with us, I made it, you know, a little over $100. Not too bad, but we're having trouble getting over that 14-day moving average, and then even if you do, you're gonna have trouble at 31.64 again. And with that 50-day moving average moving on that level of resistance right here, it's going to take a whole lot to get it over that. I'd be surprised if we see that tonight. I'm just being honest with you. That's what I'm seeing in the charts. You're not getting the volume. RSI is still oversold. You're still getting some sell-off right here. You have levels at 31.21, 31 cents. I think 31 cents. If you do see that again tonight, I think you'll see a pretty hard bounce off of 31. That's a pretty major level of support. That took a lot to get us over that. So at that level, you might have another good swing trade opportunity if you're willing to stay up for a couple more hours. If it continues this hard downtrend, you could quite possibly see it. It just looks bearish right now, guys. You're trading underneath this 200-day moving average. Not really going back up to retest it, not breaking these previous highs on the way down. So it is looking pretty bearish right now, guys. We're just looking for that bottom where we're going to actually find some footing. And it just looks like, to me, you come within these channels between support and resistance. and you try to find your legs and it gets rejected. It keeps getting rejected off this 14-day moving average. Like, get popped down there, not getting over it here. I think you'll end up getting rejected again if it continues, and then possibly hopping this channel. Hopefully it doesn't rinse and repeat and keep beating itself down, because we are in a bit of a downtrend in the short term. So, but just as fast as you get knocked down and crypto goes down, it can go up just as quick, guys. So don't get discouraged. It's really tight margin for the swing trading. So guys, be careful out there if you're doing that. You have to stay on top of your game and watch the charts at all times right now. But if you're in at the right time and you do get these little tweets from Elon, stuff like that, you can definitely make pretty good swing trade opportunities. It's just everything's looking a little bearish right now tonight. I wish it was looking a lot better. That'd have been pretty cool to stream to, where everything's ripping. But tonight we're getting pretty beat down, guys. Oh, it's all good, Robert Dean. Right when I clicked the go live button, all this happened. I was figuring it'd have a nice pop back, and it did, man. 3 green candles back to back. When I saw we weren't getting over this 14-day moving average, that was a signal to me to sell, and you had that rejection. So it doesn't say it can't pop right back above it and start doing its thing, but even if we do get over this 14-day moving average, which we're testing at right now, you're gonna have resistance at 3163, right where I got out at, and right after that you have a level of resistance with a moving average coming to meet it. So that's gonna be really tough. That'd take quite a bit of volume, but it can happen. I mean, it can. It's just, it would take quite a bit. Lollipop. Hey guys, I have to go for now. Hope you guys have a great night. Thank you very much for tuning in, Lollipop. Please hit that like button for me on the way out, and I hope to see you tomorrow night, my man. Jason says I'll watch it tonight and see if it dips more. If it does, I'll have a swing trade tomorrow. Yeah, it looks a little bearish right now, guys. It's been a slow bleed off for the day. That is in the works, Robert Dean. I'll be looking to send some shirts out to y'all, man. That's definitely in the works. Tonight I'm gonna do some changes after I hop off of here to the stream. Look to make some new thumbnails. I'll look into the merch store off of YouTube and see what they're talking about. I'm just waiting to see if we get rejected right here. If we do, nothing's really happening on Doge tonight, man. We just kind of in a slow downward bleed off right here. But that could change really fast, guys. I mean, it really can. It's not signifying bottom for me quite yet. I'd like to see start breaking some higher highs right here. We couldn't quite get over these tops right here. Whoa, we just got a pretty good green. I don't know if that was a glitch. Did y'all see that? That was a big green pump right there. 3166. It glitched to 30. I don't know about that. That was a pretty quick green candle right there. For the most part, if we get above this 50-day moving average, I get kind of excited, because at that point, we could possibly start moving back towards 32 cents. Ethereum turning slightly green. Oh, start of a new day. Okay. Start of the new day. Guys, the prices aren't absolutely falling out. We're just trading within these channels, trying to consolidate. Hopefully this week will be very good to us. We still have to watch the 23rd for the infrastructure bill. That's going to be some very big news for crypto, for the stock market, for everything. Like, we have a lot of stuff to cover this upcoming week. So these little streams that I'm doing right now is just to kind of help you guys learn how to swing trade, teach you support, resistance, patterns in the charts. That's why I do that. I'll come on here and talk about all this stuff. Just trying to get you guys, let you know what I look at for like when I'm swing trading and stuff like that. Because, I'm not the greatest swing trade in the world, but I know how to make some money doing it. I made over $100 tonight just making a quick trade, just talking to you guys. So it's just not much happening in Dogecoin right this weekend. And, I was hoping it'd be a little bit better this weekend. But, you can't be green every day, guys. You really can't. So these red days, yes, they are a little depressing. But, look where we came from. 16 cents all the way at 31.54. It's 100% play right there. If you were buying these dips when we were preaching everything the past couple months. So for tomorrow, I think if y'all are going to be staying up watching the charts tonight, that 50-day moving average is going to be very important. Very important point to signify a trend change. Because at that point, you'll get pretty good volume stepping in to actually get you over that point. Yep, it's all good, Robert Dean, man. I just try to spit some facts to y'all, man. I saw a YouTuber today. I don't speak names, but he was like cursing at people trying to ask questions and stuff like that, man. That's messed up, man. It gives other YouTubers bad names. So I just try to come on, break down some technical analysis, man. Break some news to y'all, and watch the charts. Try to make some tendies, man. I'm still very bullish on ADA, guys. I think ADA is going to do its thing. That's going to be one of our biggest plays for the year. That, Ethereum, Doge. I'm still bullish on crypto. I really am. Red days don't depress me. It just shows me I can power up my position. Already, man. Now, I appreciate you, Rick. Really do, man. So, like, briefly, we're getting over this 14-day moving average. I mean, it's one to climb. It's just this level right here is what really concerns me right here. Even 31.63, right where I got out at, that seemed to be a pretty good level right there. We might have some trouble getting over that. Whether we get that retest come shortly, let's see what happens. Yep, Rick, I was doing it again. My man. I swear to God, once every live stream, I'm going to mute the mic. That's just what happens. It never fails. And I'll sit there and I'll talk and talk and talk. And I'm like, oh, I don't even know where I muted at. So Matt, you off mic again. I'm gonna try to go back to the camera tomorrow night, guys. So I'm gonna move some stuff around. I might put my camera down here right underneath Donkey Kong. That way you can dance right on my head. I'll move some stuff around, try to get everything set up. Also go work on my thumbnails and stuff. But until we can get over this 50-day moving average, we got hard rejected, man, all the way back down to 31.44 on that candle. Currently riding that 14-day, but that 50-day is going to be significant, and you can see that we got hard rejected right off of it. So we did get some volume pumping in. Did get the chart, this 5-minute candle excited, went up, retested it, got immediately rejected, went all the way back down to that level of support at 31.44. So best case scenario, we'll continue a little bit slight of an uptrend and trade sideways. It kind of did this last night. There wasn't too much price action, just kind of traded sideways. So let's hope we continue that for the rest of the night and look for another leg up. But I'll get excited once we start getting over this 50-day, guys. So just keep that on your radar. Like I said, I'll be in the Discord if y'all need anything. I'll send out an alert to everybody if I do see something that intrigues me. And guys, if y'all need anything, feel free to hit me up in Discord. You know, I'll be hanging out there for a little bit. So thank y'all very much for tuning in, man. Greatly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And I'll see y'all tomorrow night. We'll be touching on some stocks. Hopefully we'll see Bitcoin rocking. We might look at Riot, Mar, or Hut come Monday morning. Also got a couple more stock plays I'll be looking at tomorrow. I'll do some research on them, get some final thoughts, and then if y'all know of some, bring them to the table. We'll definitely look at them, pull up some more text data, and try to find some good, at least 10% plays come Monday. So hey man, it's me, the mod over at Crypto Critter. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. You kind of catching the tail end of things, man, but we'll be on tomorrow night. If you could hit that subscribe button for me, man, I'd greatly appreciate having you over, man. Nonetheless, thank you for tuning in. Hey, Matt's Market, check your DM on Discord. Let me see real quick. Okay, awesome. So we have a code for Nitro in the Discord. Okay, awesome. Yeah, no, definitely. I'll send out a message and see if we can hand that out. See if someone wants it. Thank you very much, OMG. Dr. Derbs, thank you. Thank you, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off and try to chill out for a little bit, but I'll be keeping track of the charts. And y'all hit me up in Discord if y'all need. And I hope everybody has a great night. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.